Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, April 18th, 2025. Let's take a look at the economic calendar for today. Overnight data were in form of the national core CPI and national CPI from the Japan. National core CPI beats the expectations, beats the previous number of 3%, in line with the expectations, 3.2%. National CPI increases from minus 0.1 to 0.3 on quarterly measure. And data from Malaysia, GDP down from 5% to 4.4. No event on the during the London session, almost no event during the US session. FOMC Member Daly will give us speech at 5, and then we got speculative net positions release because today is the beginning of the Easter holiday. It's a great Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday, and then of course we have the Easter. So that's why the calendar is almost empty. But it doesn't matter for us too much because we just switch straight on to the charts, and we are going to start with euro-dollar. So the 4-hour chart of the euro-dollar is doing exactly what we expected it to do after the swing high and new high at 1.1474 has been made. We've been moving inside of this very nice technical range between 1.14 1.1474, 1.1277 as the wave 4 develops, right? Because from the bottom of the wave 4, quite short wave 4, we might have wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 3, wave 4 of the wave 5, and the last push to the upside. This is still missing, right? So we need this last push for the wave 5, and then the big impulsive swing to the upside is done. However, there is one alternation here for this count, is where the top for the wave 3, because of the very short length of the wave 4, let me just move it, is going here. 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5, right? So that might be something bigger here. So that's the alternate scenario here. All right, so maybe the wave 3 top is not here, but it's somewhere here, and it looks like it might be the right scenario these days. So the wave 4 will develop a little bit longer in price and time. And if we add some oscillator, just trying to find it instead of the RSI, yeah, let's just have some oscillator. Awesome oscillator is one of my favorite to showing the momentum. So as you can see, during the wave 3, right, if the wave 3 starts here, we got very big momentum. So that's why we are going to change our point of view, and we move this wave 3 here, okay, to the top of 1.1474, because there is the biggest volume and biggest momentum is during this upward move for the wave 3. Now some kind of a drop in momentum, wave 4 will develop, and then still wave 5 will be done, but we just change the cycles. So now if we switch back to the 4-hour time frame chart, obviously this divergence is still okay, because this divergence is between the wave 3 and wave 5 on the internal measurements of the wave 3. Okay, so that now it's again it's very nice situation here with the with this indicators. I'm just wondering whether I can just make them disappear straight on or not. There's supposed to be, there was some kind of a, no, that's not this. Okay, that's the moving average. But there used to be some kind of a switch that I could yeah, so maybe like this, but okay, never mind, doesn't matter anymore. So we got this for the euro dollar. Wave 4 is in progress. We are waiting for the wave 5. Okay, so that's the majors. Nothing happened here, but we just changed the cycles. Everything is as expected. British pound. With the British pound, which one we will generally get rid of? We will get rid of the awesome oscillator. Okay, make it invisible. Okay, I can just move it here. Okay, very nice. And then let me just put it back down, because that's something I'm just I get used to. Okay, so this is the British pound. Where are my lines? My lines are gone. Where are my lines? Okay, let's do it one more time. So for the British pound, there is, for example, this very nice support, 1.3206. It was tested already, and as you remember, when we used to have the lines on the chart before it reset, we got very nice channel here. Let me place this channel yet again. So from the low, from the lows, yep, to this level here, and we go up, and we got something like this. All right, first touch, second touch, there you go. That's the extreme. That's the extreme. So the market somehow recognized this channel. So let's go back to our analysis. Obviously, temporary technical resistance and swing high 1.3291. So let's just move it here, and possibly right now we will move up and down inside of this range, because the market conditions are looking quite strong, and 65 points is quite good result in terms of the momentum strength. So let's stick with this. Another support. Okay, that's fine. We got our swing here. It looks like this swing might not have been completed, and we need like a last push to the upside, and then some kind of pullback or correction. So let's stick with this. We are above 100 periods moving average. Second half of the channel, everything looks fine here for the British pound to go up. All right, enough with the forex. Let's go to gold, and gold is again higher and higher. We broke above the recent technical resistance and the recent swing high of 3,234. Now the recent one is 3,357. That's the new all-time high, swing high, and our short-term technical resistance. Market is obviously extremely overbought on a 4-hour time frame chart. If we switch to daily, that's the same situation, but as you can see, the market is trading very strongly. It's getting away basically from the level of 3,000 and 2,955. The bulls wants to get as far away as they can, as quickly as they can from this level. Right now it's a little bit quieter. I think that's not for long. Local technical support is the high from the yesterday. Sorry, it's the low from the yesterday, 3,283. We are stuck inside of this temporary range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe the 5-wave impulsive cycle had been completed. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me just where is my Elliott wave? There you go. Let me just show you. Possibly 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe, just maybe 5 waves to the upside is done. However, there is no bearish divergence yet. Maybe it's time for a deeper pullback, and then the up we can go up back on. But it looks like that might be the last wave, impulsive wave in the big cycle, right? So that last wave might be the wave 5 of the higher degree. So please consider this as well. It doesn't make sense to take a look at the S&P 500 because they are quiet for today. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is doing absolutely nothing. Nothing is going on. We established a range. It's the same range as it was on the beginning of this week. 86,097 high, 83,000 low, and we bounce up and down, up and down, up and down inside of this tight range, just above the trend line, just above the 100 periods moving average on a 4-hour time frame chart, but there is no breakout continuation. We got the breakout above the trend line, made a high, a local high, lower high, because that's the point of the reference, 88,501. We've been moving up and down, and it doesn't actually look like the market wants to go up anymore. All right, so please consider this situation that possibly we might, if there is a failed run towards the supply zone, we might have the reversal and the Bitcoin can come lower. All right, or we will break below $83,000 and then we will move lower straight on. All right, so please stay focused with the Bitcoin, despite the fact that we are not doing much. Sooner or later, there will be some sort of the breakout. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye-bye.